This is Lecture 8C for Calculus 2 on the calculation of the center of mass in 1 and 2 dimensions. When we're thinking of or working with an extended body, we can sort of model this body in two ways. One, we can let it be the complicated shape that it is, with the mass distributed perhaps unequally throughout the system. The other way is to consider the body as a point with all of the mass located at one point. If this point is properly located properly, it is called the center of mass, or the centroid of the extended body. When we look at the motion of the body, we find that a lot of the paths and the trajectories and the balance of the body is determined by the motion of the center of the mass. I'll show you that in a second. Here is an extended body, the human body, of a person who is diving into a shark-infested pool. Okay, the center of mass of this body is located about here. And I'm going to go ahead and fill that in here. And the center of the mass isn't changing as the body moves. Okay, so they're the center of mass. If you look at the head and the arms and the feet, you see that they are all over the place during this motion. But this body is actually a projectile. And if I draw, I'll do that in blue here, the path of the center of mass, we see that it is done this right, it is a parabolic path. This is expected since this body is a projectile. So the path of the center of mass here is a parabola. However, the arms, legs, and hands move all over the place. So what we're trying to do in this lecture is calculate the location of the center of mass. Here's another picture showing that center of mass of two bodies here in collision. One point about the center of mass is that the body is in sort of a rotational balance about the center of mass, and if it is disturbed off that center of mass, it tends to rotate. So in this case, this tackler is tackling low, and so the point of impact is here off of the center of mass. This causes the upright figure to rotate. However, right at the center of mass, this collision will simply cause forward motion instead of rotation. To specify the center of mass, we need two things. First, we need to find the total mass in this extended body, and then we need to find the correct location.